Okay, good morning, everyone. I would first I would like to thank to the committee of the It's World Sustainability Forum who has given me the opportunity to present the research and the food security and agriculture program today. On this occasion, I will present one of the studies under the Oil Palm Adaptive Landscape Project, which is a collaboration between IPB University, C4, and ETH Zurich University with the title Impact of Oil Palm Development for Women, Double Role of Women and Livelihood Alternative Sources in Rural Household. I, Diah Ita Mardianingsih, represent Mr. Arya Hadi Darmawan and Faris Ramadian as a team, will present this issue and into introduction, methodology, result, and recommendation. Based on data from the Central Statistic Agency of Indonesia at February 2020, the number of women who are working in agriculture is around 1.8 million people as a daily casual worker. If we add the women who work as unpaid family worker, the number will be more big, almost 7.6 million people. And the development of the oil palm industry and the development of oil palm plantation in rural area has absorbed around 18 million people, who 60% are women. So this data show to us that women doing not just the role at the domestic sector as a wife, mother, or household manager, but they transfer to doing the public role as a laborer, and that make the phenomenon what we call the double role of women. And the issue in here is the double role of women usually make a discrimination versus the economic opportunity as an issue. And in this research, I want to see which activities is the double role in the woman in the rural area, and what kind of contribution that women can give to the family related to the income household. This research was conducted in 2 villages that have a different type of oil palm management plantation. One is Muara Kaman Ulu village as independent plasma household, which the management of plantation under management of cooperation, so it's like a communal management. And the other is Jonggon Jaya village, is represent the independent smallholder, with the management of the oil palm plantation under the household management. Here you can see the map of the 2 villages that located in the Kutai Kartanegara district, is Kalimantan province. Before looking forward to the research result, I want to show the overview of the location, which is the Muara Kaman Ulu village have a total area is 329.8 kilometer, more larger than the Jonggon village. And we have the data about the smallholder household at just 35 households with the 34.5 hectare area under one control of cooperation. it's a different data with the Jongon Philip because we didn't have the data at the Philip level. So I use the sub-district level where the Jongon village and part of the 700 household in this district. The dual role of women in this study, I define into 4 activities. One related to the domestic role, the second related to the public role, the third is related to the agricultural production, or we can call in the family activities, family production activity, and the social activity. In the tradition or domestic role, we can see that the activity dominated by women to do. So the burden is mostly the burden of women compared to men. Whatever is cooking, washing, cleaning the house, children care, or saving money is the workload for the women. And the public role, between 2 locations, we have the different phenomenon where the MKU or Muara Kaman Ulu dominated by women not working in the public sector. It's different with the Jongon village, is most 45.7% is working as in public sector, like as casual dairy laborer in oil palm plantation companies, or as daily laborer in industrial forest plantation. So they work as a laborer. This is what the women usually do in the plantation, like fertilization activities, chemical treatment activities, manual maintenance activities, and collecting the FFB loose. Outside these activities, there is develop the what we call a middleman, but a woman actually doing buying the FFB from the smallholder. In production activities or on-farm activities, we can see the difference between 2 locations. In Muara Kaman Ulu, where the palm oil plantation managed by the cooperative, the family worker is not working in there. It's different with Jongon village, where the activities from land clearing, then fertilizing, collecting the FFBLUs until the borrowing business capital is related to the woman. So women have the part in these activities. They work together as a wife and husband, working together to nurture their plantation. And other than these 3 activities, they still doing the social activities that usually doing weekly or monthly by meeting with other women or attend the ceremony like wedding, religious ceremony in the community. And if we try to see why a woman usually doing the work as a daily laborer or have a role in the public sector, the main reason usually is economic reason. In this figure, we can see how the economic of oil palm have the big contribution to the total income of the smallholder household. It's like we can see the yellow one, the income from palm oil plantation, like selling the fruit bunch, and the palm oil activity, but non-plantation, like as a laborer and palm oil company plantation. In the Jongon village, almost more than 50% as part as the whole of the household income. So with this one, the rule of the oil palm activities as a livelihood alternative sources to the rural household income is very big, and women take a part in these activities. What can we discuss about the role of the woman, the double role of the woman, and the alternative or source of income of the household? We just cannot neglect that the double role of woman will always continue or will continue to exist, because this is like first how the household still need to improve the family welfare, and one of the activities is use women as a laborer so they can get additional income. The other hand is part of the culture, part of the culture. In the some of Indonesian communities, helping the husband to work is kind of the service to the family. So if the women still have free time and not doing anything, is like a taboo. So they doing the public worker. And how the working as in the public sector sometimes is the reason for women to solve for their existence. So they want people to know that they can work. That's why the double role of women will always exist in this social community. The double role of women, I think it's not a problem, except is the double role of woman become a double of a burden for the woman, with the issue of like discrimination to women in the workplace or in the family. So in Indonesia, there is already some policy that we call responsive to gender to protect actually the female worker, but in the implementation is still need the commitment and consistency, because something the policy is working, but another time is not work, or just like the government establish the woman worker shelter that usually built in near the industrial area is need to be increased in rural area. So worker in rural area can ask or need help. If they need help, they can ask the woman worker shelter. Some NGO also support the woman empowerment program, especially in the oil palm plantation area. They advocate how the worker to get the like the paid more than no, like more than the border of the paid, so they get the more money for their work. And some companies still need to improve the safety and the security for women while they work in there, especially the women usually doing with the fertilizer and the chemical, so they need some improvement in the facilitation of safety and security. The other is maybe it's necessary to build like a child daycare center to help mother to take care of their children during the work, other than women working with the children. And this become another issue because some issue like there is an issue how the children working in the plantation, uh, but it's not a worker, but they just come with the mother, because the mother cannot just going alone and the children in their home. So that's what I can share for today presentation. Thank you.